Hi guys, I finally arrived here in Oakland. Ayun, ito na ako ng passport control and then baggage claim. Tayo nga after 30 hours of travel. Ayan. Sige. I've got my passport ready. Bye!
Must also present their boarding pass. This means it will take longer for arriving passengers to clear border formalities. We ask travellers for their patience. Attention please. Due to the coronavirus outbreak, the Ministry of Health requires any passenger who has...
Hi! Morning! It's a beautiful day. Look. Hello! Hi people in the world! Okay, this episode po is about my 7 to 14 days enforced self-isolation. Ayun. Ito po yung mga ginawa ko during that days. Ayun. So, I hope that you will enjoy my vlog today and may napulot din kayong mga things that I had done during my self-isolation. Ayun. And that was the day before level 4 lockdown, guys. And guys, leave your comment down below kung ano mga ginawa nyo guys during your 14-day self-isolation. So, ayun. And yeah, let's have fun. And on my 7th day of self-isolation, I went out for a walk, just around the area lang guys, and should be by yourself, wala kang kasama, and you have to be far from the people. So, you have to study your physical distancing guys. So, dito sa New Zealand, wala masyadong tao na naglalakad, so it's okay. So the government encourage us to go out for a walk, to stay as fit, as long na may physical distancing lang. Ayun. Yan, this is my errand for today. Yung 8 days quarantine ko. So I'm out for about 2 hours outside. I had my walk, relax, and see this beautiful view. Ayun. See you tomorrow. Birds, a lot of birds. Look at them. Ayan, lakad tayo dito guys. But we need to watch out our steps. Kasi I am here in a small lake. Small pond. So meron po siyang nagbo-boating, yung mga toy boat nila. And there they are. Yan. It's a little bit fun. That's their hobby. They want to get out of their house. That area. They are the city center. City care property po. Hi guys, good morning. Hello people. People. Yan, kapit tayo, and then let's have to get out from the house. Dito lang guys, hindi lalabas, pero hindi lalabas ng gate. Kapi-kapi lang tayo dito. Then, tapos tingin-tingin lang yan dyan sa labas. Ayan. Kasi naka-self-quarantine po tayo guys. So, this is my 9 days of self-quarantine. So, ayan. kape-kape na muna tayo. So, I am so glad kasi it is sunny days. Ito po kami guys, pag nag-self-quarantine, ayan na. I will not... Are you okay? She is making the pancake. Ito yung social distancing namin. So, ayan. I am here. And there, one is making the pancake. I will ask her, are you okay?
I want to hug her.
Hi guys! Hello! Hi! Ayan, this is my 11th day of having my self-quarantine. So, andito lang ako sa bahay guys. Ayan. Medyo umuulan po siya, but lilinisin ko yung garden namin. Kasi i-prepare namin yan for the winter. Magpa-plant naman po kami ng another plant na suitable siya for this coming winter. Ayun, tara, let's go! I'm practicing my stabilizer. Parang ang hirap po siya. Oh my gosh. Kasi, di ko nga alam kung bakit ganito. Ba yan? Kakainis? But, thanks for the effort. Sana bumili na to. Thank you. Sige, simulan na natin yung paglilinis, guys. Tara. Siya. Not good anymore. So, linisin natin ito, guys. Ayan guys, itabi po natin. Hello! I am just having my lunch. I mean, I already prepared my lunch. So I cook the beef steak and then the rice noodles with, I mix it up with mushrooms and what do you call this? The bell pepper or capsicum. And then I mix it up with teriyaki sauce. Ayun, it's it. Bon appetit. Let's have our lunch. Time here is 10 minutes to 12, so it's really time for me to eat my lunch. And then, yan, enjoy the day. Gusto ko manood ng what is that? Pakailanman. I want to watch something. Hello guys! Hi! Good morning, good morning, good morning people! Yan, today is, update ko lang po for my self-quarantine. Today po, ika 12 days ko. And it's Sunday. So, update po, mayroon po akong running nose. And this morning, I feel itchy sa throat ko, but I'm feeling okay now. So, steady lang po yung pag-inom ko ng turmeric with ginger. Ito po siya. Turmeric, ginger with lemongrass po. And so, guys, kain tayo. Noodles! And I have my warm water with lemon and ginger. So, 14 days ko, guys. And tomorrow, I am going to go to the clinic and have my test swabbing. Ayan. Kain tayo, guys! Oh, yun. Oh my God. Good night. Patayin ko na yung ilaw. While I am listening to Kenny Roger music. Album ni Kenny Roger. Rip Kenny Roger. Night. Yan guys. Tapos na yung 14-day self-isolation ko. And yan, I'm back to reality. No, syempre. Ayan, thank you for watching for my 14-day self-isolation. Sana may nakuha kayong mga tips. You know how to isolate yourself. Yun. Though na from the past 3 days, I was not feeling well. Kasi I have cold and flu, but I'm okay now. It's my 15 days. So, ito lang yung mga iniinom ko, guys. Ayan lang, guys, oh. Tubig, turmeric tea, tapos lemon with ginger. Yan, guys, oh. Tingnan nyo, yan. Init po yan. Mainit. Yan. So, thank you for watching, guys. See you in my next episode. Thank you. Have a great day and be safe, guys. And also, stay healthy. Boost your immune system. Yan. See ya! See ya to my next vlog. Please also subscribe my channel and click the notification bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga next vlog ko, guys. Yung, sa mga hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, subscribe na. Yan. And also hit the like and also leave the comment down kung gusto niyo mag-comment. Bye! Turn on lang natin to, guys. Prepare tayo ng coffee. Yan, kuha tayo ng coffee dito. Saan ba yung kape ko? Of course, Nescafe. Nescafe, Nescafe. Ang Nescafe ko. Tayo ng ano. Chu-chu-chu-chu. Our lunch, guys. Yan. So, yan ang